Bowtie the animatronic fox, and since Diamond and
Hello.
hi. Anyway, so I decided.
By the way, I'm gonna
Well,
be a jerk and not give much advice about anything, so she just learned this on her own.
yeah, I kind of already like. Oh come on! Don't run away, jerks. Okay. Ugh.
So we're gonna watch as she aimlessly walks around Hyrule.
I'm just gonna hop up here like a little girl. It's just that jump though. So here we
It looks like
go.
he's skipping.
Exactly, that's the funny part. Oh, there you are.
Hey, you should try to, I don't know, sneak up or something. Hey. Wow, it just scared off your horse. How do you feel?
I don't
Oh,
like
don't
it.
shoot. Don't shoot.
I
What
didn't
would
mean
you
to
do?
shoot.
Press Y to pull out a sword. I mean a spear. You got a spear right now. And you don't need to attack it.
What the frick?
You don't press that button, do you? You press Y.
I'm so used to the PlayStation. Okay.
What? Dude, Zelda's not on the PlayStation?
I play Destiny, okay? Well, I was playing
Poke
Destiny.
him.
What do I do to attack?
Press Y.
Oh. Thank you. You're such a helpful person.
Hey, go back over there. Try to see if you can find the arrow you shot. Because I'm trying to save arrows. No, back over there.
What?
Over there. 1 minute and we can't find something. That's Chew. You can get it if you want. Choo choo. Turn around. Because you see sparkles in the grass. Oh, over there. Yep, there it is. Okay, you're good. Put away the spear. Don't poke a horse. You can actually kill horses, I think.
Oh.
I'm not saying I would. I'm just saying you can. You gotta be careful with them.
What is that?
Press B.
I know I'm not dumb. No! Wait! Come back! Wait, would you...
Hold B to run.
Thank you so... Oh yeah, I was doing that earlier. I just thought I forgot it existed. Okay. I don't want to scare this.
To do something about not scaring. Or you could be like me and run up to it. Press it.
Hello! Okay.
Smooth it. Smooth it. Soothe it. Soothe it.
What's the soothing button?
L.
That's what I'm doing.
Button up here.
Oh, thank you. Yay. I named it Pocahontas.
You mean like the Indian?
Yeah.
It's so peaceful. Hey, don't whip it though. Not yet. You can keep petting it if you feel like it needs to be pet. Because if you go yah, you're gonna fall off. It's gonna buck you.
Why?
I don't know.
Why does this horse have a mind of its own?
Soothe it if it starts disobeying you. Hey, if I were you, I would not go near that evil castle yet.
I wasn't going to the castle.
I don't think you should.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh no! Let's go the other way.
so you're going deeper into
Oops, I accidentally whipped it.
Well, you're good. Just keep petting it. Pet it. Well,
It disappeared.
hey, the closer you get to the castle, more of those things there are. You're pretty close to the castle right now. If I were you, I'll turn back, like, now. Because those things, you cannot kill yet. Get a horse out run it? I actually don't know. They're, like, really fast, though.
Look at this. It's so pretty. So where's that black horse with the blonde hair?
I just found it. I don't know where I was.
That thing is so weird.
What, the hair?
No, not the
The
hair.
hair bugs me.
Oh, it actually has eyes. I didn't. I couldn't see it.
Pat, I'm just saying I'll pay more attention to the road ahead of you, so just in case one of those nasties come out. Pet it. If it starts disobeying you, pet it. Pet it, pet it.
Stop it.
There might be something bugging it. What is it? Is it one of those stupid things? I bet a friend of mine who used to ride horses would like this. Gee, keep ahead!
I'm
You don't
sorry.
know if you're gonna bump into one of those things, and trust me, they'll shoot lasers at you.
Yeah, I know.
And kill you and your horse.
That's so pretty. Wait, where'd that spider thing go?
It's over there. Why?
I don't know.
Don't think you can outrun it. Not gonna happen. It's over on the hill to your left. Yep, it's over there on that hill. Where that tree is. It looks like a dinosaur. You can hunt birds.
Hey, someone else has a horse.
That's the main transport of Hyrule. Of course they have a horse. Hey, this all knocked out over there. Go chase it off.
What?
To your right, the monster.
Oh. Wait, how do I get off this thing?
Press B.
I thought I was gonna figure everything out on my own.
I just happened to notice. Don't jump in the river, you'll drown.
Like a real-
I don't know what you.
Whoa. Hey, you.
Don't fall in.
Rip. Okay.
Hey, go check on the lady.
I didn't even notice she was there. Wait, where?
Give her a second. There she is. Hey, try to whistle for your horse.
How do I do that?
Figure it out.
Thank you.
Broken
Broken bones.
Cool. You can talk to her. I recommend you throw that in the lake. Hey, put it away, G. Press B. Put it away. He'll talk to her. Press A. Okay, go back to your horse. I don't know what your horse will do.
Wait a minute.
I'm gonna kill someone with that.
Haha.
There you go. I accidentally did that one day. I don't think it's
Oh my
there
gosh.
yet. So just keep riding it around. Mount her. Not the fish, the horse.
I know I was gonna kill the fish with an arrow, but I don't have one right now.
This is a nice, relaxing, calming episode of just riding a horse around.
Yeah, well, what else am I supposed to do? What's that? Oh, that's... I thought that was a monster or something.
You can talk to him. Hey, if he sells arrows, feel free to buy them. ZL talk.
Let's see.
You could also stop him. Stop the horse.
Wait a minute.
What? What's wrong?
I have to go see the girl.
Why? Are you worried?
No.
Why you have to go see the girl?
Because I'm the one playing the game and it's a mystery. Sorry. No, stop! Okay.
They don't completely stop.
If only she could ride the horse. I'd get her exactly where she wants to be.
Do you know where she wants to be?
Yeah.
Hey, actually, you should stay beside her tonight. Pet it, pet it, pet it. There's also something wrong. I don't know what.
Okay.
Not yet. Not yet.
I was just wondering. How does... Wait. If my... I'm so confused right now. I'm still confused what that thing is there.
It's a horse.
That's a horse?
Yes, you can tell on the map it's a horse.
That is not a horse.
Hey, when monsters rule the place, it's kind of hard to make good things.
Okay, now it kind of looks like a horse, but from far away it looks like a dinosaur.
When I saw it, I thought it was some big boss. It scared me after death.
That's what I was thinking.
And then when I got closer, it didn't move. So then I approached it and it just turned out to be someplace.
I don't know what to do, actually.
Huh? You do or don't?
Don't.
Roam around. Get yourself in trouble. Kill something.
Okay.
Not with a big spider thing, though. That's a mistake. Ask me.
Let me pet you. I don't mean to whip you. Remember when I was playing Star Stables, and then, oh yeah, I didn't know that to buy the horses you had to like pay money to get the stars and crap. So then I stopped playing Star Stables because my horse was just like, I did everything though. It's like, yeah.
Check the road ahead of you.
What?
You should always keep your eye on the road. You don't know if the spider things are gonna run around.
What's that thing up there?
That is a shrine I have to climb up. I'll figure it out. But you shouldn't keep looking up. You should keep your eyes. Oh dear.
That's
not good, G.
What is that?
That is a blood moon.
So what's wrong with it?
That means the monsters are really vicious. Hey, you should get going. Like now.
I kind of want to take their horses.
Hey, don't soothe it. Careful, they'll buck you off. Hey, get going.
What the heck? No.
Watch out!
Ow.
Mount it quickly. Get going, get going. Well, that was fun, was it?
Duh.
There you go. I don't know if you can.
Whoa. What's oh.
You should get in buildings or something.
Oh God.
What was that? Oh, it's just the cutscene.
Oh my gosh.
By the way, when you get back, run. I know what it is. Don't worry, it's not too bad.
The blood moon.
Yep. Monsters are really vicious. It's evil. It's horrible. Alright. So, run. Don't whip it too much. Don't whip it too much. Just calm down. Go in the forest. It can't throw rocks very well in the forest. Because it will throw rocks at you. Just relax. Don't worry about the keys. They're not good at attacking either.
So that's what they really look like.
Get back to the thing. We're going to have to end off the video.
Yep.
Actually, just stand off, but just stand.
Oh, I messed up. Help, get off this rock.
Actually, just end off with the rock.
No.
Just end off by the river, because we only have like a few seconds left.
How many seconds?
10. End off by the river. Okay, you do the outro.
Okay. So that's all for this time. I hope you actually enjoyed this because it was kind of boring, and bye.